Batterymax Australia here. We're going to do a quick demonstration of MTE's new Series 2 H8-2 optical lens flashlight. The H8-2 comes in a sturdy metal protective case, comes with a Li-ion battery charger, two 28650 high capacity batteries. Here I'll show you a quick comparison between the old H8-2 at the back compared to the new Series 2 H8-2. The new flashlight is slightly longer, has better cooling heat sink, more fins, better grip on the handle and a narrower beam and 30% brighter. Let's check and see how the new H8-2 Series 2 flashlight performs in the dark. Here we see the H8-2 in action. Puts out a good round beam, very bright in the night sky, and it hits objects at a great distance. Very powerful flashlight. Up close you will notice a slight ring around the outside of the flashlight. The new optical lens is recessed in the bezeled head. Flashlight's not really designed for hitting things up so close. Once you go further into the distance, any hint of that ring sort of dissipates as we sort of go right up there. Very powerful. This flashlight is built out and out for range, long distance, be great for hunting, exploring. Has different modes, so you can have a softer light where required. But overall a great job done by the guys at MTE. Their flashlights are really starting to improve out of sight, and they're right up there now with some of the top flashlights. They do provide 3-year warranty on their units. That's how good a quality they are.